Hi, I'm Judy K. Mozoff, and today I want to talk to you about toxic performers. You may have a few. Toxic performers are two-sided. They're very good at what they do, very knowledgeable, very skilled. In fact, doctors and managers usually call them top performers. But here's where the toxic part comes in. They're toxic to their coworkers. They're usually bullies. They have an air of superiority. They're cynical. They're unwilling to train because they don't want anyone near their level of skill sets, because then they don't have a guarantee or job security, right? They actually leverage the fact that they're so much better than everybody else, and that way they can get by with their toxic behavior. They hold the practice hostage, truthfully. So it's important, doctors and managers, to not have double standards and to make sure that we expect our toxic performers to become top performers and treat our team as well as we expect them to treat our patients. 3 questions to ask yourself to see if you have a toxic performer. Number 1, do they actually support the practice values and the rest of the team? Number 2, would you ever allow this behavior with a patient? And number 3, would you ever accept that same behavior from another team member? If your answer is no, chances are you don't have a top performer, you have a toxic performer. So it's important to not have double standards, to address the behavior. And I know doctors, managers, I know they're usually your right hand. And I hear this all the time, but Judy K, you don't get it. I'm never going to be able to find someone as good as them. Chances are you'll find someone just as good as them right in your own practice once they're allowed to step up. So ask the toxic performer to step up, invite them to, and if they choose not to, then invite them to step out. When we create a culture where we expect our coworkers, our entire team, to treat each other as well as they treat their patients, you will end up with tremendous performers. This is Judy K, wishing you an awesome day today, because today is a great day for you to shine.